Game press conference. We have here Oli Ocaro, Coach Taka Minoa, and Ivy Luxino of the Akari Chargers, who won in 4 sets against the Capital One Solar Spiders. Coach, congratulations on this victory. What are your thoughts on the game?
Thank you so much. Actually, she's that exchange like Akari and NSL player. We having a hard time to make a practice because of the lot of players injured during last conference. Actually, not after we start practice. So until only we come to the Akari, actually we haven't do any 6-on-6. So maybe this time like we will start the 6-on-6 and also connection. Especially we don't have any tune up, only 2 sets only. The meaning is like we need to maximize this PBL for going to be better and also have a connection with only. That's our purpose. Maybe as a coach, like, this is my purpose. We'll make a connection with Orly and then we'll make a history for Akari. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. And for Oli, you had 16 points against Capital One. How was your first game here in the weekend?
The first game was definitely exciting. It was something new. I've never played in front of a crowd like this, where the crowd is very enthusiastic and energetic, very live. So it was definitely nice. It's the first game. It started a little bit slow, I would say, because like Coach Taka mentioned before, it's just we're still trying to find that connection. Me and the setter. Usually it takes a little bit of time to connect with the setter, and I haven't been here too long yet. It's been about 2 weeks, so there's still a lot of things to work on, a lot of room to improve. So I'm really excited that we won this match, but I'm also really excited to keep working on things and finding that connection with the center.
Thank you, Oli. And for Ivy, you had 20 points against Capital One. Kamusta lang din yung first game mo as an Akari Charger and against Capital One?
-6 po.
Masaya naman po kasi parang yun nga po, kahit na nasa season na kami, pinatry pa rin namin i-build yung connection namin sa isa't isa and mas napapadali siya kasi madaling kausapin yung mga teammates namin.
Thank you. Where's the wizard?
Yan nga, Ivy, solid debut para sa'yo. Ano lang yung naging mindset mo, lalo na ito yung first game mo with Akari?
Kasi po, inassign po ako ni Coach Taka na maging game captain. So parang syempre kailangan ko pong mag-lead. Kaya parang kahit na may mga errors po ako nakocommit, kailangan ko pa din, parang hindi ko po pwedeng ipakita sa mga teammates ko na naiinis ako or na low moral ako ganun. Kaya parang mindset ko lang po, kailangan ko mag-lead sa mga teammates.
Coach, how about you? How are you taking on the challenge of the adjustment with the new team, new players? Just a few weeks since you prepared.
Actually, it's really hard. Like, for my next team, the next is I starting for the anything like culture, also like characteristics of the team. But Akari, it's already 2 years. They already have potential players, but they haven't make it together. So that's why like now it's time to like make it one team. But other side like also attitude and then also how to be a professional. It's very like we just started. I cannot expect anything like still have a patient and then just keep on working for the players.
Coach, with the changes that happened, what is your ultimate goal now that you move from Nexus Pro? What do you want to happen with this current team that you may not have done so with your previously? Yes. What change do you want to implement long term?
Almost like an excellent in Akari, if you just compare about the potential, it's really different. Actually, they're doing really better. So they are able to make it the ranking 8, the previous last conference. And with the Akari, I can make it more tactical. I mean, because of the potential, and they're also they're a good player. They have really potential. So also I can see, especially this match, the first set, it's really doing well. And then also like third set, we're having a hard time because of we cannot adjust for the foreigner player. But after like 4 set, I have time on 3 and 2, 3 to 2. So then fifth set tactical and immediately players can adjust. That's really important for like being the top 4 team or one of the best team that will win.
For Ivy, new team, pero kasama mo sa team ngayon some of your former next led teammates and especially si Coach Taka. So parang, can you talk about yung transition lang and same lang ba yung parang naging sistema ni Coach Taka nung paglipat niya dito sa Akal?
Opo, same naman po yung naging sistema ni Coach Taka pagdating niya sa Akari. Siguro yung mga naging adjustment ko lang po pagdating ko sa Akari is yung sa teammates ko. Kasi may mga ates din po kami dito, ganyan. So parang yun talaga yung kailangan ko mag-build ng connection. And ayun, mas na dumaling naman siya kasi andyan sila Cam, sila Danny, sila Kanoy, ganun. So sila kasi nakasama na nila before. So yun, tinulungan din nila.
Oli, you only played your first game, but what can you say about the style of play here in the Philippines?
The style of play it's different because the players here are a little bit shorter. You know, I'm used to players being, you know, much taller, and when you're taller, you know, you use a different strategy. It's just more about like, you know, jumping high, hitting hard. But here, the players definitely hit really hard, but I think they focus on being a little bit more crafty than just being so physical and athletic. So definitely it's something different, but it's something, you know, nice to be able to play against, just to have, you know, these different types of strategies. So yeah, it was just, my focus was just making sure that I timed the blocking, for instance, because I'm not used to having a player that's a little bit smaller, just going for the tool, going for the check ball, I think is what you call it, check ball. So yeah, it's different, but it's nice.
Yeah. For Ali, Akari is showing signs of improvement over the past few conferences here in the BBL. Since it's your first time here, what kind of impact are you trying to do or give this team?
I would say the impact that I want to bring, I just want to bring a level of leadership from the experience that I have, and also just, you know, the passion to the game, because I'm a very passionate player and I'm very, very determined. And I'm also very competitive, so I also want, obviously the goals first would be to take the team to, you know, top 4, so we can make the semifinals and then just go from there. So the plan is to take it one day at a time, one game at a time, and then just keep seeing what we can work on, you know, after each game, so we can, you know, reach those goals.
For coach and the players, your next game will be against Chocomucho on Tuesday. So how will this win help you guys coming into that match?
Matutulog sa Diyos. Charit. Siyempre po, alam naman po namin na isa po sila sa top team. So, siyempre, magtatrabaho pa po kami, lalo na po yung mga kulang namin ngayong first game. And, ayun, haharap kami sa kanila na alam namin na kakayanin namin. Pipilitin namin.
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
How will this win help you guys coming into your match against Chocomucho?
I would say it's always nice to get a win because it just builds up that team spirit, you know, because when you get a win, it doesn't matter how big or small it might be. A win's a win, and it reminds you that, you know, we can do it. So just having this win going to the next game, I think will just kind of give us some momentum to be able to prepare against Chocomucho, which we know. I almost said chocolate. I was going to chocolate. So it would help us to just, you know, prepare against Chocomucho, which I know is a really tough team to beat. But yeah, this will help.
I think the Chocomucho is a really good team, especially now they got outside hit the foreign player, and they got Dinding also. So they have a 2 big opposite local player. It's really big total opposite. And also outside hitter is from Greece. So I think it's the variable level, like even Chapter 1, it's really getting higher. Like I think I can say that all the team is now getting better because of the foreign player and also because of the PBA team is really doing well. Like previous maybe 3 to 4 years, I can say now it's really getting better. So that everyone is going to improve. So we're able to like make it high intensity game. That's why like I need to focus on, like as a coach, I need to focus on the intensity and also like recovery for the players. Because now we're doing a lot of jumping today, and then tomorrow's day on, and then preparation only 2 to 3 days. We need to maximize using the time for the preparation. Push the strong team.